Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be creating a mirror that matches the vase I created in the last video. If you want to watch that one first, the link is in the description box below, or you can click up here in the right corner. Now let's get started. In the last video, I poured the paint in the dish. Here I'm pouring it on the sheet protectors. I'm moving the paint around to make a sheet of paint. I made about 4 sheets of paint this way. It's kind of fun watching formation of paints. As I said in the intro that I'm making a matching mirror for the vase I created in last video, I have used the same colors for the mirror as I used for the vase. Once I was happy with the patterns on the sheet, I left them for drying. Using the 16-inch mirror, I drew the circle on the foam board. I cut 2 foam board circles as well as 1 cardboard circle. I needed 2 rim circles, so I cut one out of foam board and another from cardboard. Using school glue, I stuck 3 big circles as well as 2 rim circles together. I am so glad you chose to watch my video today. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also please don't forget to like and share. To achieve smooth surface, I sanded the edges of circles. I stuck the mirror on the big circle firmly using school glue as well as glue gun. And now the rim of the mirror is stuck in place as well. Here are the 4 sheets of paint I made, and they peel off from the sheet protectors very easily, as you can see here. I am using this sheet of paint to decorate the rim of my mirror. This sheet of paint is almost like wallpaper, and it sticks on the foam board or even cardboard very easily with help of glue. You can see that the sheet of paint is easy to cut with the knife as well as with the scissors. Once the paint sheets were stuck on the rim, I varnished it. Since the edge of the circle was sanded, it was easy to stick the pearl wrap on it. I cut the strip of the crystal wrap and stuck it around the mirror. To decorate the mirror, I used these artificial flowers, took them apart, sprayed them with the silver paint. When dried, I put them together with the glue and then I stuck them on the rim of the mirror. If you want to know what material I have used, the complete list of material is given in the description box below. I usually get my material from craft store using 50 or 60% off coupons, or when they have 70% off sale. I painted the inner part of the flower with the gold paint and stuck the glitter on it. Since this is a continuation project, I have not showed the foil decoration in this video, but if you are interested, I have showed it in the vase video. And here's how the mirror looks. And here it is with the matching vase. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.